boys, dude, we are back out here, man, and we have got a bunch of RCs with us. We've got an XMaxx 8S, the Outcast 8S, Kraton EXB, V5 Kraton, and a Senton. Dude, a lot of room, a lot of road. We are gonna rip it up out here, boys. All right, let's get to it. Huh? Yeah. Nice and easy. Yeah. Yeah. You know, nice. Yeah. Nice. Everyone getting their rips on the ram. Woo! Oh. Hey! Look at your body flips when you get that way. Nice. Nice. We're just taking it easy out here, man. We're not getting ham. Oh, that thing can take some abuse, boys. I tell you what, that's Senton. There you go, you got that. Nice, nice. 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 Remember, you don't have to haul ass back. Damn, that is a good time, man. Lots of room out here to rip. The fuck? I even gave Ryan the control. I'm like, try not to turn no buttons, hoping. And he goes, I didn't. And it's never, just never on. That son of a. Woo-hoo-hoo! That man sent it full send. Nice, nice. Nice correcting on that. Nah, you would have had that. Bring it around. No, not you. Oh, probably. Yeah, but you broke the rod end. Yeah. Ryan. Yeah. Yeah. It's done till we get back to camp, boy. I don't have nothing for that. I don't have nothing for that here. It's when we get back to camp. But I'm saying here, if you want to drive the Outcast, you know.
Let it out for a little bit.
Yeah, I wanted to kind of should have brought my stuff, but I didn't. Yeah.
That's dead.
It's dead. Probably dead.
I'd be surprised.
But Ryan, you would think it needs more gear, probably less gear to rip a backflip, but try it. Jump it, drive it, get used to it. You know what I mean? You break so if it breaks, it frickin' breaks, dude. That's why we brought 6 cars, I guess.
Go. I wish I could put that battery shit in all my roads.
Right. Yeah. All right, we're down to rod end. Let's go. You're the rod end master. Bring it on over. Bring it on over, dude. Look at him, sagging like a mother. God, dog. All right, guys, that's it. Saggy as hell, busted. Rod and Ryan took out both rigs. When we get back to camp, we'll get them all hooked up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.